to my channel. So in today's video, I am doing a house tour part 2. This one will probably not be as long as my other one, simply because I'm just showing you 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms of the place. So yeah, I did a poll on Instagram asking you guys what you wanted to see and if you wanted to see this or another video, and you guys chose this. So I decided I should probably clean so I can show you this. So if you want to see the rest of my house, keep on watching. Okay, I'm gonna try and work with this lighting because the lighting down these hallways sucks. So the first thing you see is this bedroom here, but we're gonna go into the laundry room first. So the number one thing I love about this house is the laundry room, because all the other houses we toured had the laundry room like closets, and I wanted a room, so I got it. So just your basic laundry room. We have odds and ends in these that we just go through once a week and try and see where they go. The ironing table, and then I have my steam mop, vacuum, and spare shoes here. Those are shoes that we like quickly toss on if we need to go into the garage or anything like that. And then I have this little metal bin where I keep my fabric softener. This is my holy grail stain remover. And then some dryer sheets. And then other ironing stuff, steam mop mats, and all that good stuff. And then up here, it's just a lot of odds and ends. We have one bin for lost socks, another bin we keep our swimsuits and swimming related stuff in, like that one. Junk mail we have to go through, and then I keep scarves in that one. And then we have our detergent and a bin and some paperwork and a random water bottle apparently that I forgot to grab. Okay, so then you move your way out and we have our little stuff to turn on the heater and the swamp cooler. Yes, so we have a swamp cooler, and surprisingly, it's awesome. So then we walk in here. This is our guest bedroom. There's a lot of stuff that isn't hung up or things that don't have a home yet, so we kind of just shove them in here. We don't really come in here very often unless we have guests. So here's this bed. My husband was laying on it, that's why it's a little wonky. So these 2 pillows are from Target. I actually got them on sale. I'm gonna go fix it because it's bothering me. But I got them on sale for $8 each, and I thought that was a steal because this one was originally $30. And it has big tassels, and I love it. And then I got this bedding. It's a little wrinkly. Don't know why, but I got this bedding from Target as well. And I got it on sale for $20 when it was originally $80. And then we have this mirror that I have no idea where I'm gonna put it. I was thinking of hanging it here. I don't know yet. But it's just a brown mirror, and it's really nice. And then here we just have books that are mainly my husband's. Some of them are mine. And then we have this little plaque that says "Don't look back, you're not going that way," and then a mirror that I have no idea where I'm gonna put that either. And then over here we have a chest that my grandpa actually made, and that was our wedding gift to us from him, and we just store extra blankets in there, pillows, all that good stuff. And then we have this big picture that used to be in my husband's bedroom when he was living at his parents', and it's just an episode 1 Star Wars trailer picture, I think, but that's Anakin, and then the shadows, Darth Vader. And then we just have the closet. For some reason, when we moved in, the people that lived here before us decided it was a good idea to paint the doors gray, the same color as the walls, and then they painted the ceiling the same color, so it's all gray in here except for the baseboards. And then they tried to touch up paint. I don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah, you can. And they did eggshell or a shiny paint over top this flat paint that they bought. So that's fun. We're gonna end up painting this eventually. But that is the guest bedroom. Okay, so then if we come over here, I decided I'm going to show you my room to the right because this is eventually, I'm not saying I'm pregnant because I'm not, but eventually when we decide to have kids, this is where the nursery is going to be. So these curtains just came with the house, and then we have a bunch of maternity clothes and stuff that my sister-in-law gave me, some decorations pieces that will probably go in the nursery, and some extra pillows. And this chair, the previous owners left it with us. So, and then again with the painted gray doors, don't know why they did that. And then we just keep luggage and stuff all in there. Okay, and then the guest bathroom is straight across, and it looks like this. We have a Scentsy warmer, and then I keep cotton balls in this, and then a hand soap, and then this mat is from Target, and then we have bins, and I just have wipes in there. These bins are from Target. I got them for a wedding gift. And then down there I also keep a bin for towels. And then here is the shower curtain, which is also from Target, if it'll focus. So there's that. And this is a very small bathroom. This is it. So, but it totally works for us. I do not complain. And typically I have towels hanging here, but only when we have guests. So there's that room. And then here is the master. This is our closet. I'm not going to show that because I haven't organized it yet. That's my next project. So I'll give you an overview of the master. Okay, so I'll start out with the bed since it's the behemoth of the room. All three of the pillows are from Target. The bedding is from Target, and then I think this blanket is from Costco. My grandma got it for me for Christmas. Yes, Grandma, I still sleep with it every night if you're watching this. And then these nightstands I actually hand painted. They were a pine wood before, and I got them for $6. It was either each or $6 in total from this lady who was selling them on a Facebook swap. So I just painted them, and they work for us right now. Eventually they'll probably go in the guest bedroom when we get a new bedroom set eventually. But for now it's awesome. And then over here, this is typically where I get ready and do my makeup. This mirror's from Target. I've had this mirror for probably 10 years. And it's moved with us every move. And then over here I have this little crate with a blanket rolled up inside, and then there's an M and a candle. So yeah. And then my husband, oh, I forgot to show what's on top. This is just a picture of me, if it'll focus. It's not going to. A picture of me, and then a book he's been reading. And then over here, I have my purse on the ground. I just find it easiest to have it over there. And then I've got charging cables all over there too. It's kind of a mess, but it works for me. And then I don't know if anyone noticed, in one of my videos, I had a little panic attack while I was cleaning because this ring happened. Don't let water rings happen on your chalk painted furniture, but I'll touch it up eventually. And then I have a cup of water, some mom stuff. This stuff is amazing on eczema. Seriously, I love it. And then we have massage cream. I got this in beauty school, and it's awesome if you ever like need to rub your legs or whatever. And then this is a sleep mist that I use on my pillow, and it's awesome. And then this book is The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. and I read that whenever Trent and I have reading time at night. And then another M, and these little colored pencils or crayons. I forgot which one it is. I think it's colored pencils. My brother served a mission in Brazil and brought those home. So those just sit on there as little decoration pieces. So yeah. And then over here, we got a new TV. So we put our other one, this one, in our bedroom. So I occasionally will watch TV while I clean. And I'm not lazy. These are actually broken. I've had this dresser for 10 years, so it's a little well loved, let's say that. And then over here we just have our dirty clothes bin. I won't show too much of that. And then this mirror will eventually be hung over here on this wall. So yeah. And then our master bathroom. I don't really like to keep it like super picture perfect because we literally live in here. So we have some lotion, his lotion and my lotion, with some mouthwash, and then a hand soap. And then this warmer is actually from Walmart. I got it as a wedding gift, and we love it, and we keep it in the bathroom. And then this towel is mine, and then this little hand towel is from Norwex, and I love it. And I just put this like flower on there because I have no idea where else to put it. And then up here, if it'll focus, we just keep my hair products, toilet paper, and then I use this perfume as decoration. It's actually a perfume from Paris. I think my aunt gave that to me, and some cotton swabs. And then here is our shower curtain. It's quite wrinkly. We've washed it a few times. And then my husband hangs his towel up there. So yeah. So that is the end of my tour. Okay guys, that is the rest of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed my house tour. Yeah. That is basically it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you're new. And please leave some suggestions for videos down below. I could really use them because I want to put out content that you guys want to see. So do that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!